I cannot tell you how much it was snow by centimeter or millimeters, but it is too much. It's not a normal snow.
Next stop, 75 Thorncliffe Park Drive.
Thanks, Chris. Hello, Laura. What's going on? Is it Toronto morning? See, the dog is playing. Yes. Oh, Canada. Thank you. I love this weather. Really, I love. Some people don't like it, but I like it. One more dog.
Next stop, Overley Boulevard.
So this is Canada. We will have a stop here for a few minutes, then we will move ahead. So last night, whole night, snow has spread. It has converted Toronto into a desert of snow. You can see one more dog with his owner walking. Yes. Still. Yes. So weather is brutal since last night.